Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm going to be doing my third holiday look for 2018. For this look, I've been inspired by the color green for obvious reasons. I saw this makeup look on Instagram and I thought it was beautiful. A nice blown out green smoky eye. There are a little bit of blues in there too, so I want to try to get those colors in as well. The Instagram account is low_lavxo. Her work is beautiful. Her looks that she posts are just out of this world and absolutely amazing. So this is going to be a challenge for me today and I hope I can do it justice. Before we jump into the makeup look, I want you guys to be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every single time I upload, you won't miss a thing. Alright y'all, let's jump right in. Gonna prime my eyes today with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Sand. Taking a dry beauty blender to blend it out. For my first transition color, I'm going to pick up Busted from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Dark Magic palette. I'm going to pack this on right in the outer V. So now that we have the general shape going on, it's time to blend it out. I'm gonna go in with this color here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know I'm using a lot of Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palettes today. That was not planned, but I do use these shadows all the time and they are really good. So I'm picking that up right on the brush and blending out the blue. I'm taking that color right up into the brow as well. I know this is looking scary, y'all, but you gotta trust the process. A year or two ago, once I saw this mess, I would have just washed it all off and started over or just gave up, but I'm telling you, trust the process. I'm gonna go in and cut the crease next using some concealer. And we're gonna cut the crease, but not really. I'm doing this to open up my eyelid, give me more space for shadow, and also allow the shadows to stick better and look a lot more clean. And I'm gonna bring the concealer pretty high up to the brow bone. And it's gonna really open and awaken the eye. We've got the concealer in place and I brought it pretty high up to the brow bone. Next I'm gonna go back in with this color here and just blend around the edges to diffuse it a bit. And we're going for a nice round shape. I'm gonna take the shade here for the lid color. This is the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit and apply the shadow right to the lid. You guys can probably see the benefit of cutting that crease up really high and bringing your shadows up high. Look how big my eyes look how big my eyelid space looks. And that is the beauty of makeup, the illusions it creates, because I have small hooded eyes in reality. Now I'm gonna go back in with that pencil brush and a little bit more of the dark blue and just blend a little more around the edges. Now I'm gonna go back in with the same palette and pick up this mint green here. I love it when I can create a whole look using just one or two palettes, and I know you guys like that too. This palette, this is my baby, my favorite palette. You guys know I use it all the time in my videos. And we're gonna pack that right here in between the dark green and the gold. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter to the outer edge. This is Urban Decay's glitter liner in the color Distortion. I'm gonna move on to priming the skin with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Primer. I'm gonna go in with this glow stick from NARS and apply it all over the skin. I'm gonna blend that out with my foundation brush. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation in the color 330 Toffee Caramel. I'm going to highlight and conceal with NARS Creamy Radiant in the color Sucre de Orge. I'm going to set all of my highlighted areas with Sephora's Mattifying Powder Foundation in the color Golden Fawn. As usual, y'all, I forgot to cream contour before I powdered, but I'm gonna save it. It's okay. I'm gonna go in with Colourpop's No Filter Concealer in the color Deep Dark 54. Just going to apply a little bit to the cheekbone, a tad to the forehead and the jawline. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with Sephora's MicroSmooth powder in the color Hazelnut. I'm going to go ahead and bronze up the skin using Bobbi Brown's bronzing powder in the color Deep 4. For that extra chiseled look, I'm going to go in with Bahama Mama by the Balm and hollow out my cheekbones. To make sure that everything is set and stays in place all day, I'm going to go in with a second setting powder. This one is the Laura Mercier and Sacha Buttercup mixed together. I'm going to take it right on my powder puff and set all of the areas I highlighted. While that bakes for a few, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this look together and add my brows. But I'm gonna do it off camera because I have a brow routine up on my channel and I will link it somewhere in the video or the description box if you're interested. Now that the brows are done, I'm gonna go in and work on the lower lash line. I'm pretty much gonna just apply everything we applied to the crease to the bottom lash line. I'm going to apply a blue liner to the waterline. This one is True Teal by L'Oreal. I applied my lashes off camera, and while the glue dries down, I'm going to apply some blush. I don't know the name of the lashes right off, but all of the products that I use will be below in the description box. I'm going to go in with Yara blush from Juvia's Place. I'm going to apply this right on the cheeks. To prep my skin for highlight, I'm going to go in with some setting spray. This one is by Morphe. Before the setting spray dries down all the way, I'm going to apply some glow drops. These are by L'Oreal in the color Golden Hour. I'm going to put some just right on the back of my hand, pick it up with the brush, and pop it right on the cheekbone. I'm gonna go in and highlight with my Makeup Forever Pro Fusion. Gonna line my lips with Limitless Brown Artist Pencil by Makeup Forever. Gonna go in with this liquid lipstick by Tarte called Birthday Suit. I basically applied the lip liner to my entire lips, and I'm just gonna go in with the lipstick right on the center. Then I'm just gonna use a lipstick wand to blend the liner and the lipstick together. Gonna go right in with some gloss. This one is by Colourpop and it's called Secret Weapon. I'm gonna finish everything off with one more round of setting spray. Okay guys, that completes this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video, which is twice a week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of that down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.